The 2025 Range Rover has arrived, marking a new era of luxury, performance, and technology. Land Rover has refined its signature SUV with enhancements that push boundaries while retaining the classic elegance that defines the Range Rover lineage. The 2025 model boasts a sleek, modern exterior with aerodynamic lines, a bold grille, and striking LED headlights, all of which contribute to its commanding presence on the road. Inside, the cabin offers an unparalleled level of luxury, with high-quality leather upholstery, premium wood accents, and the introduction of the relaxed seating option, allowing passengers to recline and enjoy maximum comfort. The panoramic sunroof enhances the sense of openness, while the vehicle's acoustic insulation ensures a quiet, serene ride. The technology suite in the 2025 Range Rover takes things to another level with an intuitive infotainment system that includes a large touchscreen display, voice control, and seamless smartphone integration. The system is complemented by 5G connectivity, multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and a Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring passengers are always connected. Safety features are abundant, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, among others. For those seeking power, the 2025 Range Rover offers a variety of engine options, including V6, V8, and hybrid powertrains, all of which promise exceptional performance. Its sophisticated all-wheel drive system and air suspension ensure a smooth ride across various terrains, further solidified by the vehicle's renowned off-road capabilities, including terrain response, which adapts to driving conditions. On the road, the Range Rover is stable and composed, with precise steering and powerful brakes. As part of its commitment to sustainability, Land Rover has used more sustainable materials in the production of the 2025 Range Rover, with energy-efficient LED headlights and a regenerative braking system that enhances its environmental footprint. Pricing for the 2025 Range Rover is competitive within its segment, with various trim levels allowing for customization to suit different tastes and budgets. Whether you're driving through city streets, embarking on long-distance journeys, or tackling challenging off-road adventures, the 2025 Range Rover excels in all areas. With its seamless blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Range Rover is set to remain the pinnacle of luxury SUVs for years to come.